All right, so in 2019, we planted some canola here on the farm. We planted it with an airplane. It cut 7 bushels an acre. Next year, planted it with an airplane again. That canola will come off the first week of May. Last 3 years, we have been forced to plant soybeans very last of April up to the 15th of May due to weather, but we've also had some great beans due to that. Our yields have gone up. So with the canola coming off the first week of May, you can spray it, get it ready, cut the canola first week of May, and to me, you still have a full season bean crop instead of a double crop. After looking at that, the benefits to this, is obviously another source of income. You've got the equipment. You're not having to add equipment to do this. You're getting a whole other crop to add more acres to your equipment to make fixed costs go down or make things look better. And from a farmer's standpoint, I see you see the benefits. Will it work? Absolutely. There's no doubt in my mind. Will it work? It is just how many years out of 10 is Mother Nature going to let it work? This year, I knew I was going to plant the canola, so I cut the soybeans, planted the canola into the soybean stubble. When I cut the canola, 2 hours after the canola combine got finished, we planted the beans straight into the stubble, no ground prep, no anything. So there's no worries at all planting behind a harvested canola field.
We are harvesting in July and we have half a year. That ground is going to be barren until next March. The thought was not to waste all that light, right? Keep that ground and factory working year round. Instead of having barren ground, now you have another crop growing. It could be a cover crop, but what the better, the grower can harvest that. Instead of having a cover crop, now you have a cash crop that you can harvest and sell for a profit instead of being a cost. This is a great partnership between Fall Line and Corteva, right? We talk about Wade and Fall Line bringing this scale, the grower, what are the learnings, what are the barriers, what we need to overcome. And what Corteva brings is we have the capacity to create things that don't exist. For example, if the corn has to be short-term maturity, we can do the breeding to create that product that will enable the whole system. Computer-assisted design with the on-farm implementation and testing, it's extremely productive and motivating at the same time.